students, we are continuing lesson number 6, slide organization in PowerPoint. Children, first we will discuss the fill in the blanks. First is new slide button is located on the dash tab. The answer is home tab. To add a new slide we use new slide button and it is located on a home tab. Second is to rearrange the slides we use slide sorter view. It shows miniature view of all the slide. ये मिनिएचर फॉर्म दिखाता है और हम इजीली स्लाइड्स को रीअरेंज कर सकते हैं, एक स्लाइड को एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस पर मूव कर सकते हैं. द थर्ड इज डैश इज अ प्लेस होल्डर टू ऐड टेक्स्ट. वी यूज टेक्स्ट बॉक्स टू ऐड द टेक्स्ट. फोर्थ इज dash feature help us to create special text effects. Children, we use word art feature to create special text effects. To rotate a object we use rotation handle. हम rotation handle की help से object का direction change कर सकते हैं. And to insert a new slide we use Ctrl plus M key combination. Now we will discuss the statement is true or false. The layout of a slide can only be modified in slide sorter view. It is false, children. Second is Ctrl P key combination is used to print the slides. It is true. We use Ctrl plus P for printing. Third is the clipart feature is used to add pictures. It is true. We use clipart feature to add the pictures. Fourth is in the normal view the vertical bar indicates the new location of a slide. It is false. Fifth is shadow option is present on the home tab. It is true, children. Shadow effect option or shadow option is present on the drawing group of a home tab. Sixth is text box does not appear in the outline tab. It is true. It only shows a title and subtitle of the slides. Seventh is 3D rotation option is present on the insert tab. It is false. Application based question. First is Madhu has made a presentation of 7 slides but her slides are not arranged in a proper way. Suggest her how to arrange. Children, to arrange the slides we use slide sorter view because it shows miniature view of all the slides, so we can easily move the slide from one location to another location. Second is Ravinder's teacher has asked to prepare a presentation on the topic safe environment. He typed the content but he does not know how to insert relevant picture. Suggest him which option in PowerPoint he should use for inserting picture. Children, to insert the picture in our presentation we should use clipart option. D, multiple choice question, we have to find the correct option. First is the slide sorter view button is present on the dash tab. Children, slide sorter view button is located on the view tab. Second is clipart button is presented on the dash tab. The answer is insert tab. Third is the dash tab contains the text box tool. The insert tab contains the text box tool. Fourth is dash button on the format tab is used to apply 3D rotation to a shape. The answer is shape effect button. Fifth is dash stretches or shrinks the dimension of an object. Children, resizing stretches or shrink the dimension of an object. Now we have to see E, answer in one word or sentence. First is in which tab of the normal view the text box not visible. Children, in outline tab text box not visible. Second is name the button that is used for adding a new slide to a presentation. Children, we use new slide button to add new slides. Third is which key help you to select more than one shapes at a time. We use shift key to select more than one shapes at a time. And fourth is on which tab the clipart button is located. On insert tab clipart button is located. Now we have to see F, answer the questions. First, what do you understand by text box tool? Explain the method to insert a text box in a slide. Children, text box tool is used to add text and we can manipulate also. And to insert the text box, first we just go to the insert tab text box group and we will click on the text box tool. Now we will just place mouse pointer to the slide. We will hold down the left mouse button while dragging the mouse diagonally towards the right side, and after that we will release the mouse button. We will get a rectangular box with cursor inside it, and now we can type our text. Second is define the term clip art. How can you add a clip art in a presentation? Children, clip art is a feature used to add pictures, and to add clip art in the presentation, first we will just go to the insert tab. We will come to the image group and we will click on a clip art button. And when we click on a clip art button, children, clip art pan appears to the right side of the window. And now we will just type the keyword according to that we want to search the clip art. If you want to search the pictures of computer, we will type computer as a keyword and we will use go button. When we click on a go button, it will display the list of clip art images that is related with the search keyword. Suppose if we have typed the keyword computer, then it will show all the images related with computer. Now we will just select any picture. We will click on the down arrow next to the picture and we will see there is an insert option. We will click on the insert option. So children, we will see that selected clip art will insert in the slide. This way we will add the pictures. Third is briefly explain the word art feature. Children, word art feature help us to create special text effects. Next is explain the shape feature and the procedure to insert a shape in a slide. Children, shape feature allow us to insert ready-made shapes, and inserted shapes can be resized, rotated, flipped and colored. Now we will understand how can we insert shape. First we will go to the insert tab. We will just use shape button located on the illustration group. Children, as we click on a shape button, we will see pop-up menu will comes. There will be list of shapes will come. We will just click on any shape we like and then we will just place our mouse pointer on the slide and we will drag it to adjust the size of a shape. After that we will release the left mouse button. We will see that shape will insert in the slide. Differentiate between rotating and resizing object. Children, rotating an object means to change the direction of an object. We change its angle. And resizing an object means to stretch or shrink the dimension of an object. We can increase and decrease the size of an object. So, we have discussed exercise questions. Please do the work neatly. Thank you.